a Skype app. So just tell me, bro, how are you?
This way, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. How are you? How are your uh, your how's your some cold? In this my
Yes,
side,
yes.
some cold is very falling from yesterday. I am getting much cold. And now tell me,
Yes.
how are you? How is your medical concept is going on? How's your you are you are doctor you are in hospital you are working, no? So how your work is going on in the hospital? Just tell me.
Yes, yes. My practice is going on very well, and my work is going on very well. There is no problem. And sir, how is your practice going on?
Yes, 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 fantastic. I am every day I am talking with one person and two person at least. Every day I am talking, and because in every field you want to progress, so you will have to do a lot of practice. Because if you are a doctor and you will leave practice even in a one day, then your 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 experience will go damage.
Yes, yes, yes. And sir,
Yes,
I noticed that you have changed your Skype ID name right now. Also,
RKR,
RKR. What is the
yes, yes.
meaning?
Yes, RKR Farmhouse. Because I have created YouTube channel, no. So same name I have kept.
Yes, yes. You have recently started your YouTube channel.
Yes, yes, yes. I have created YouTube channel, and 1 month before I have created YouTube channel, and I am uploading conversation video in my YouTube channel also.
Do you upload every single day video?
Yes, yes. Every single day I am uploading video,
Yes, yes, yes.
one and two
And sir,
video every day.
right now,
One and two video at
yeah,
least uploading every day. And yesterday I did not upload any kind of video because there was no internet connection inside my mobile, and morning time internet was reached to the 100%, so I couldn't upload any kind of video yesterday. But I am thinking that today I will upload this conversation video with you in my YouTube channel, 100% sure.
yes, yes. And sir, you are a teacher, yeah? You are a private teacher.
Yes, 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 yes. I'm not a private teacher. I'm not a government teacher, but I teach student of class 9th and 10th of my village. Uh, this is right thing, and I am also doing farming. So I am teaching student of class 9 and 10th of my village only.
And sir, right now the winter season is going on. You are moving and here and there in the field area, yeah?
Yes, yes, it is
Are
a
you?
field because I am going to my field and I am also speaking with you English. So both I am doing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it is
And
winter season.
sir,
No? Yes, yeah, it is winter season in my area in Bihar. Winter season is going on, and in the sky, moist mist and fog are available in the sky. But sunlight is not directly coming from the sky to the earth, and I am not getting any much more heat from the sunlight. And sunlight is not coming from a sky to the earth directly. And this time you can see in the sky there are mist and fogs.
yes, yes. And sir, I would like to ask one question to you. Just today it is 1st January in 2025. And do you have any plan?
Yeah. I have a lot of plan, but increasing my plans, we cannot go all the plans because I am thinking that I will made one and two plans, because if I will increase more than 10 plans, so even if I will not complete one plan, so I am thinking that I should fulfill my one and two plan. So I am thinking that I should read out newspaper also. So I am thinking that I will download a app, and I will download the Times of India, and I will give time half an hour at least to the reading of newspaper. So
Sir,
I have made plan for reading out newspaper, and I will follow the Times of India newspaper. And one there are a lot of apps on the YouTube channel and on the Google apps, and I will download and I will read out. I will select one. I will select one English newspaper channel. There are many channel, many English newspaper, just like the Times of India, the Hindustan, the Indian Express. But I will select one because I will, if I will download more than 3 or 4, so I will not give time, and I will be not able to give more and more time. So I am thinking of first I will download one, any one I will select, and I will read out every day.
Achha, nowadays, do you read English newspaper every single day?
No. But today I will download English newspaper from apps, and I will read out that newspaper, and I will give half 15 minutes time daily.
Yes, and I know also there are so many English newspaper, maybe Times of India, Telegraph, and which is the better in English newspaper for learning the language according to
Yes,
you?
yes. If beginners want to read out, so they can prefer the Times of India. The Times of India is best, and their language is very simple. Okay, if you will go to the if you will go to the Telegram, that Hindustan and other Indian Express, so their language is tough, somewhat. But and then in the Times of India, so the Times of India is just like they are who are writing the Times of India, who is editing, just writing in simple language way. Everybody can
Yes,
understand, and
yes.
a few vocabulary is somewhat tough, but the vocabulary is very good, and even after reading the sentences, they will understand what the sentences is going to tell. So that's why I will prefer the Times of India, and I will also improve or increase my vocabulary power.
Yes. And sir, I would like to ask another question to you. And what is the benefit of reading English newspaper according to you?
Yes. First of all, you will because a lot of sentence connector is available on the English newspaper. Because how to connect two sentence together in best way. So in any newspaper you will get. But in reading book, if you are reading in any moral story book, you will not get more sentence connector. But if you are going through the English newspaper, so you will very easily find out the two sentence connector in the English newspaper, and your style will also will change after reading, and your vocabulary will
Yes.
be also increased, because in newspaper articles have been given in bold letter. So you will see that in which articles you are very interested. There are a lot of articles have been given on the newspaper. Even in crime news are also available. Sports are also available. Leaders news are also available, and criminal news are also available. Accident news are also available, and educational are also available. So in which field you are interested in, you can go through the English newspaper. So it is best for learner also.
Yes, I absolutely agree with you. Actually, reading English newspaper, habit of English reading English newspaper is also good for learning the language, because if you read every single day English newspaper, and you will improve a lot, you faster, yeah, and you will improve your vocabulary skill, yeah, you will get a lot of new vocabulary from this page, yeah. Always you have to read, yeah. Reading is also important according to me.
Yes. And I can say that, bro, that if you are doing preparation of government job, just like bank PO and any Air Force exam, and in any government exams, just preposition and verbs are also they are asking. But
Yes.
if you are reading out the any newspaper, so you can easily understand the preposition. You will not have to word out remember any kind of preposition. So this is very beneficial
Yes.
for those who are doing and who are doing preparation of a government examination, just like bank PO, just like banking job, Air Force job, and any kind of MC exam.
Yes. In the any department in government job, any department, it is English is very necessary. English is needful language also. Yeah, all documents are written in English. Yeah, that's also English is very necessary and needful. And sir, I would like to ask another question to you. And you also like reading and do you like writing? Do you practice
Yeah,
writing?
I don't like writing because I lot of work. No, I don't have much time, enough time for doing extra things. So I don't do writing. I don't write anything in my copy. So but if in future I will get time, so definitely I will like to writing. I like writing, but I don't have much time for writing. So I don't have much time. So I am not giving on writing time.
Yes, yes. And do you use Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp? This kind of application do you use?
Yeah. I using one application. There is that name is WhatsApp. I am using Facebook. I am also using, but I am using WhatsApp only for sending some documents to other person, which is very necessary for me and which is very necessary for those. So I am just reading for only that person purpose. But I am using Skype app only for spoken classes.
Yes, yes. And do you use English language in WhatsApp when you chat with with any person? That time, do you use English language?
No. Simple. Just write hello, hi, how are you? But I am not writing in English because if I will write English, no, so they will not understand the English language thing. So because all are my relative friends and my adjoining areas people are habitual of learning Hindi and they know Hindi only. So they are only perfect of Hindi. So I am not sending and I am not chatting with that person in English language because they are very comfortable in Hindi. So I am just
Yes,
using
yes,
Hindi language. I am not using English language.
yes. Actually, I don't like reading. Yeah, I don't like reading. Uh, uh, that's also I don't read English newspaper. But I have decided to read English newspaper. Yeah, and definitely I will take one newspaper every single day. Yeah. And sir, about if you ask me writing, when I always write in English with Facebook and in, WhatsApp, I always write in English. When I chat with all my friends, I always write in English. Yeah.
Yes. But you are rightly saying that no need to buy any newspaper because if you will buy any newspaper, no, so they will take you 5 rupees or 10 rupees one day. So monthly you will have to pay 300 or 200 rupees. You will have to pay to that person. But I think that. I am giving an example to you that there is apps the Times of India. Just go through the Play Store and just type the Times of India apps, and the Times of India apps will come in the URL, and you will download from there and just read out. No need to buy any newspaper, okay? Because if you will buy newspaper, so it will take if you will be not able to read out full pages of the newspaper. Every
Yes.
page
Yes.
have full of the sentences. So just I think that I am giving you best idea to download the Times of India newspaper apps from the YouTube, from
Yes.
the
So.
apps. Play Store you can
Yes.
from
So.
download it. Whenever you will be having 3 times, you can just open that links, and after that you read out that newspaper sentences, and you will be improved a lot.
Yes. Yes. Definitely, it is also good. It is also good. And sir, I would like to ask one question to you right now. Say you are a teacher and do you teach English subject?
No, I don't teach English subject. I teach mathematics and science. I teach a student of class 9th and 10th, especially for science and mathematics. Physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology, I am also teaching to the student. And they are comfortable for learning Hindi, but they are not comfortable for listening English. So these days I am not teaching them, but I am thinking that in the future, in the incoming years, and in the coming incoming years, I will use the English because I am going to start I am going to start motivate people of my village that are very close to me.
Yes. And sir, right now also you are English, you are a teacher of science group, but why are you learning this language?
Yeah, I am learning this language because of many reasons. Because this is my passion from the starting childhood to up to this age, and I was very fashionable and I was very interested in learning English. But that time I was not able to speak English very clearly in with any person in with any in front of person. So this time I got an opportunity that I have joined this app, and there are is a very good app of Skype app. And when I come to know about the Skype app, so after downloading this app, I am continuously learning on this app, and I got a lot of energy in idea and thoughts, information, knowledge. I have also increased knowledge, and I have talked with many different kind of person, and I am very happy after joining this app many times. And I am continuously joining this app, and I am continuously speaking with different kind of person, just like you, ma'am, and other person, also beginners and also learners, co-learners, and also good speaker are also always available on this app. So I am just preparing this app, and I am not preparing other apps, and this app is helping me a lot, and I have learned a lot of things from this app. So I am very happy that after getting the news of this app.
Yes, yes. Actually, sir, I also I am learning this language because there is also another reason, because when the same also when I was starting in my school life, that time my English was not good. Yeah, but I used to teach at my home as a private tutor in mathematics subject. Yeah, and there were 120 students in a 6 batch. Yeah, I always like it in mathematics subject. Yeah, that's why also I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject, and I used to teach before joining the hospital. I used to teach every single day, but right now also I don't teach, I don't get free time, but I am learning this language because when I was starting in my school life, at that time my English was not good, and at that time I was very weak English subject, the same also. And that's why also in this time, whenever I get free time, I always try to learn English. Yeah, in this time also I can write properly because before speaking English I have completed the all grammatical rules. Yeah, and after completing the grammatical rules, I started my English speaking journey. Right now also I am being able to speak English little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, I am seeing the changes. Many changes have done from your side, and you are speaking very nice further. And after 1 month before. 1 month before, I was seeing some hesitation in you, but this time you are frankly speaking, and you are continuously speaking in front of you, and you have got a lot of energy, and you have got a lot of idea, and because of getting a lot of idea from different person, you have got uh, challenges, and you have done a lot of hard work behind, and after doing hard work, you are feeling much comfortable, better comfortable than the other, than the one previous month. And this time you are very
Yes,
comfortable speaking to any person. So your question by that, why I am speaking English, so there is many reason behind it. I am speaking English because nowadays government is failing providing jobs to all the graduate person. But if you will learn English, so no need to go running behind the getting the job. So if you will learn English, if you have well command of English, so you can open a coaching center of English, and you can earn money. No need to run behind the government job, nor need to running behind the private job. There is a opportunity, you will get a lot of opportunity after learning English. Because nowadays, if you are not opening, if you are not liking to open a coaching center, and you are not earning money from the coaching center, so there are another option for you. You can also go to the foreign country, and you can do higher education. You can PhD, you can do PhD, you can face interview. If you can private job seeks only any MNC company always seeks good speaker, not good learners, good speaker. So in any company you will join, so they will take interview. If you face interview in better way, so you will be selected by that company, and your package will be and your salary will be automatically decrease after enhancing your spoken English. So there is, if you are doing a, if you are a doing, if you are a medical student, if you are an engineering student, so you will have to need English, because in any engineering college or medical college, only the teachers and their lecturers, they lecture their language are English medium. They are not speaking Hindi. So in order to understand the language of engineering college teachers and medical college teachers, you will have to get idea of the English. Without knowing English, you will not understand the language of the lecturer, even in the medical college, even in the private engineering college, or government engineering college. Just like IIT and NITs and any private universities are good, and they are just giving lecture in English language. Seminar hall is also, some people are just like many big personality comes in the seminar hall, and give lecture in their English language. So if you will sit there, so no value will be there. Just you will not understand the language what they are speaking in front of you in the seminar hall. So you, in order to understand the language of the seminar hall, just you will have to increase your capacity of English. So there are many field. I can just taking example. And in computer, in computer, when you open the computer, the language is full of English computer. And to understand the language of computer, you will have to read English. So there are many fields where you can explore your knowledge and English. So there are many fields. Okay, communication
Yes,
gap.
yes.
I have already told you communication gap. You are a Bengali person. I am a Bihari person. I know Hindi. You know Hindi, but it is okay. But if you will not know Hindi, if you will not, I will not know Hindi, so there will be a big problem. Today you are speaking English and I am speaking English. So because of English, I am connecting with you. But there will be a problem if you will not know Hindi. If you will not, I will not know Hindi. So there will be a big problem. So because of English, I am connecting with you, and you are also connecting with me. So English is a very big things that removes the communication gap between two different region person. If they are belong to the foreign country, if they are belong to the India, if you are Tamil person, if you are a Bihari person, no problem. Today if you know English, and if I know English, so this removes communication gap. And this, I think that if you will know English and I will know English, this brings national unity also.
Yes, yes. And sir, right now I talked with you 1 month ago. Right now I am talking with you, but right now you are speaking English very well. You have a lot of confidence. Yeah, while speaking English, you can speak continuously. There is no problem. And also by practicing, you can improve your speaking skill. Yeah, I have a confidence. But right now you have a lot of confidence. Yeah.
Yes. I am just getting a lot of confidence from you, my dear brother. Why you are thinking? I am learning from your mouth. I am learning from ma'am. I am learning from beginners also. And I am taking. I am very carefully listening. First, I am focusing on what you are saying, or what you are trying to say to me. Just I am also. If you will break, no. If you will break any sentences, I will guess that you want to say like this, and I am understanding everything. But one word before, I was not able to understand anything. But after that, after joining this app, I am learning a lot of things from you, mine. And I am watching also conversion video from you, from other ma'am. But a few video, because it is not possible for me, for all the Indians YouTubers who are making conversion video. It is not possible for me to alone to watch every person video. But I just select every day one video, and I 10 minutes and 15 minutes I also watched every person video. And I am getting a lot of data, information, knowledge, idea, views, opinion, thoughts, and knowledge. And I am also increasing my confidence also after watching your video. And I am also increasing just like of knowledge from you.
Yes,
I am
sir.
not reading kind of
Yes,
big.
sir.
I am not reading. I am not reading any kind of moral book. I am not reading any kind of story book. I am not reading. But I am focusing on what you are telling, and just I am watching different kind of moral story, different kind of not moral story book. I am watching just different kind of conversion video.
Yes. Actually, speaking is the most important part. Yeah, always you have to speak regular basis. And sir, how much time do you practice every single day right now?
Yes, 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 yes. 2 and 3 conversion every day I am doing, and after that I focus on watching different kind of video conversion video, English conversion video made by the someone just like you, ma'am, and beginners, and me also. And when I disconnect your phone, I will just watch my this conversion video in the night time, and I will watch that how much improvement I have got till now, and what mistake I have done while conversing with other person. And because I will be same when I will when I will talk with another person, so same problem will come if I will do mistake. And same person when conversation with same person again, so the same mistake I will do definitely, because I am I am the same person. I will do mistake again, because what mistake I am
Yes,
doing
yes,
with you while speaking, so same mistake I will do with the some different person. This is a true things.
yes, yes. I also I follow this rule also. After recording the video, I watch very carefully what is the mistake. And yeah, mistake is common. Yeah, because we are both we are learning this language, new language. Yeah, mistake is common. But if you make mistake regular basis, same mistake. If you make same mistake regular basis, it is also not good for speaking English. Yeah, always you have to learn. Always you have to always you have to learn for after making mistake. You have to learn. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Everybody nowadays, everybody is making mistake. You are also making mistake. I am also making mistake. Everybody, when expert person is also making mistake, and I think that we should learn from our past mistake, so that I cannot again repeat the same mistakes in the future. So we should learn from our past mistakes, and we should not do again that mistake again in the life and in the future, so that the original movement, the original improvement will be will be seen.
Yes, yes, you're right, sir. All right, sir. It was nice conversation with you. We are talking about 20 minutes. Yeah, about 25 minutes. Yeah. All right, sir. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Okay, have a good day. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.